In the case of Rehman Sabir v. Department of Justice, Refugees and Stateless Persons Protection Unit, the petitioner, Rehman Sabir, sought recognition as a refugee in the Philippines. Sabir claimed he faced religious persecution in his home country, which led him to seek protection under both Philippine law and international conventions. Despite his claims, the DOJ-RSPPU initially denied his application, prompting Sabir to bring his case before the Supreme Court. The heart of the dispute centered on whether Sabir had demonstrated a well-founded fear of persecution, a crucial requirement for refugee status. This case highlights the challenges faced by individuals seeking refuge and the legal hurdles they must overcome to secure protection. When the case reached the Supreme Court, the justices clarified the process for determining refugee status. They explained that both the applicant and the state share responsibility in these cases. While Sabir needed to provide credible evidence of his fear of persecution, the government also had a duty to assist in evaluating and substantiating his claims. The court emphasized that fear of persecution is deeply personal and subjective, but it must be backed by objective facts and circumstances. This balanced approach ensures that refugee claims are neither dismissed lightly nor accepted without proper scrutiny, reflecting the seriousness of humanitarian protection. Supreme Court's decision reaffirmed the Philippines' commitment to international refugee protection, specifically referencing the 1951 Refugee Convention and the 1967 Protocol. The court stressed that providing refuge is not just a legal duty but a humanitarian obligation. It ordered the case to be remanded for proper evaluation, instructing authorities to assess refugee claims with both compassion and evidentiary rigor. This means that while the law must be followed, the process should also be guided by empathy and respect for human dignity. The ruling serves as a reminder that refugee protection is grounded in both statutory fidelity and the broader principles of international comity.